Oh, hello! Welcome to another episode of Sepio Academy. My name is Romy.
And my name is Odeya.
Today we will be giving you a simple walkthrough of our Peripherals Dashboard.
We will also demonstrate what happens when a USB rubber ducky is inserted into your computer.
Do not get it confused with one of the actual rubber duckies that you could get at one of our events.
So are you ready?
Let's begin. We will start by showing you what happens when we plug in a rubber ducky. For those of you that aren't familiar with this device, it's a popular HID emulating device capable of impersonating a legitimate keyboard. This extremely popular device is used by pen testers and cybercrime organizations. It's easy to use, and with a rich payload library, significant damage can be made with it. This specific rubber ducky is configured as an HP keyboard. Now, let's plug it in and see what happens.
Let's wait a few seconds until the payload finishes. So we're looking at the Peripheral Dashboard. Now that the rubber ducky is plugged in, we will see it on the dashboard. The most critical part is Agent to Notice. Agent to Notice highlights a list of agents found to be riskiest of all. Here you can see the red mask. This means that we have identified an attack tool that is masquerading as a legitimate device. Clicking on it will take you to the specific agent, and in this case you can see the device is impersonating as an HP keyboard, with the same vendor ID, product ID, and all other logical parameters of a legitimate HP keyboard. It will go unnoticed by any DLP solution because it shares the same parameter as a legitimate device, while in real life we understand that this device is actually a Hack5 rubber ducky.
So is it easy to get your hands on one of these rubber duckies?
Yes, anyone can purchase it on a Hack5 website for only $50. Which is another reason why it's so important for you to know that if you see a red mask here, you need to take special care of it right away.
That is extremely important. It's also interesting to notice that you could see all the employee cell phones connected. There are also other features on the dashboard. What else do we see here?
So we have the history, which provides us two views separated by the time base. The default view here is based on agent, but you can see the peripheral view as well. This is basically a snapshot of recent statistics regarding the history. Agent status. Here you can see how many of them are connected or disconnected, and how many of them are in which status. Peripheral status is similar to the agent status. Here we can see the status of the peripheral. Peripheral distribution contains basic statistics with regards to the distribution of the device within your organization. Here you can see vendor distribution, which provides additional information about the vendor. Each vendor is represented on each bubble. Peripheral notice show devices we would like you to take special care of because those devices are either mobile phone, mass storage device, or devices that we understand raise significant risk to the enterprise. We want to highlight them and make sure you are aware of their existence. Clicking on it will take you to the specific agent.
So if you have any questions, feel free to comment and subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated with our upcoming Sepio Academy episodes.
Thank you and see you next time.